Okay guys, welcome to my class. This is another great opportunity to learn as a graphic uh, professional graphic designer. So guys, I want you to pay very good attention, and if you're just joining me for the first time, I still remain Bolaji Johnson, your coach. Please kindly subscribe to my channel and also encourage me by clicking the like button, and also share it to your friends and family that really wants to learn or know more about graphic. So guys, this is what we have today. There is a job given to me, and it's about an inverter stroke solar system company. They needed a good flyer to be done, and I'm going to do that and teach you guys on how from start to finish. I'm going to teach you guys from start to finish and how I usually come up with good concepts to create beautiful and very top-notch design. So guys, the first thing I need to do as a graphic artist is types solar background. Okay, so once you get here, you find so many solar panel system that you can use to come up with a fantastic background. Okay, so all right, you keep searching. Okay, you keep searching till when you could lay your hands on a very good background that will suit your designing creativity. Okay, so I think I'm seeing one. I'm seeing one. Saying one. Okay, all right, without wasting much of our time, all right, let me copy this. Okay, let me go back, search for another beautiful one. As a graphic designer, you are meant to be patient, especially when looking for a background that is synonymous to the kind of design that you really needed or you have in your mind. Okay, you keep going, you keep going. Okay, all right, keep going. These are concepts. Okay, keep going. Right, so this is how you get some of your concepts. That is why I said, if you really want to grow as a graphic designer, you must be familiar with your Google search. Familiar with it. Okay, and then once I get to another one, then I can start creating my own concept. Okay, still trying to get. So this is the stress we go through as a graphic designer, just to get a good background that will suit or that goes along with your concepts. Okay, let me see this. Okay, let me copy this. So I think the next thing you do now, once you have gotten this, you go back to where the text are. These are the text. Okay, you copy, you have inverter, install now, pay later. So this is another creative part that you must also pay attention to. Okay, all right, so apparently the there is no name for the company, so all they just need is a, what is it called, a social media flyer for adverts. So once you have gotten the background, then the next thing for you to do is to set your text accordingly. So the first thing you need to do here is, like I've told you guys, there are fonts that I use that I know is good and suitable for all type of designs. Okay, inverter stroke solar system. Okay, go to change, text change on uppercase. All right, so all right, draw a box to guide it up. Okay, behind fill scale, then do this. All right, then this is the main sale point. Install now. Install now would be on the same pay later. Okay, so I have this font. Let me go D. Right, then okay, remember I told you guys that when you're working for a company, you try as much as possible to come up with 2 different designs. Okay. All right, this is how to build concepts. Then make use of your shadow tool to make this pops up a little bit. Okay, so what else do we do to bring out the creativity? Install. All right, it's correct. So come up. All right, okay, again, and then do this, okay, and arrange this at the bottom white. Go to your fonts, then bold. Okay, so this is how to come up with good concepts. We already know that this is a mail. Okay, delete this, delete this. All right, I can as well make this bold a bit. Okay, all right, this is one. Then let me make use of this. This is another one, another background. Okay, so guys, if you are just joining me, kindly subscribe to my channel, and please do me a favor by liking my videos. It's important. That is the best way you can encourage me to do more videos. Okay, so hope you guys are getting this. All right, so I don't need to slant this, so what I need to do here is make it straight. All right, and the same thing here. make it straight. Okay, so looking at this combination, color combination, you will agree with me that it doesn't really match. So what you need to do is to make it plain white. All right, then do this. Okay, all right. Okay, so I need to make this darker a bit, so I go to adjust, go to gamma, then adjust this a bit, adjust this a bit. All right, so this is all I needed. This is all I needed. Okay, this is all I needed. It is as simple as that. You don't need to complicate yourself while designing. All you need is simplicity. Get a good font, and here you go. So I can decide to play with this interactive or feel too. We do something like this. Okay, right. So it is as simple as that. It is as simple as that. So we have another one, which is on ice, that I'll be teaching you again. The next design for the first one I did earlier. So take a seat and sit back, relax, while you watch how I'm able to come up with this beautiful concept. So here we go. Okay, so all right, okay, so this is just 100% guarantee. Yeah, come over here. Okay, adjust it, bring this down a bit. All right, then adjust it, then okay. So I'm using the same font, delete, uninterrupted. Let me get the uninterrupted power supply for home and office. So this background that signifies home. So this is what I'm telling you. I usually tell you guys that your background or the theme of what you are designing should be synonymous with your background. So we're having uninterrupted power supply, which is going to be the biggest part of this design for homes and offices. Okay, so let me use for a good font. I decide to use my normal font again. All right, uninterrupted power. So okay, so it has to be bold enough. Okay, so what I will do here, this is also a major part of it, so I can use red color to make it pops out. So right. Okay. Inverter solar system. Make it bigger a bit. So install now and pay later. You have to demarcate it. You don't necessarily need to use a box to demarcate that, so you use this duplicate. Then so this is also another good subject that you must highlight. So what you need to do is to make this uppercase. Okay, then you give it a color, a sharp color, to attract people. So I will use this to call the attention of my viewers. Do you get that? Or this is not really nice. Let me use this color. Okay. Okay. So let me do this. Let me see. All right. Okay. This is it. I'm not really cool with this font, so let me go and change it. Let me use this. Let me see if it will work. Let me see if it will work. So this is how you design. This is how you design. Don't think that will work. Let me look for this. Okay, I think this is cool. This is cool for me. All right. This is cool for me. So this color is not cool. All right. Okay, so I think I need to make it all caps. Adjust it. All right. Okay. Let me remove this. Let me see. I'm seeing a fine color here that could match my background. All right. All right. Okay. So this is another good color. Let me see if I can do this. All right. It doesn't go. So I think I'm done. Cool. This is my design. This is my design for uninterrupted power. So let me do something here on. Okay. So it is as good as this. So guys, I appreciate you for your time. Please go ahead and watch till you learn some skill and apply it in some of your designs. Thank you. God bless you. Bye.